Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am thrilled to introduce to you my latest obsession. This is the Bogg Bag. Seriously, I have no idea where this has been all my life, but I am so glad to finally own one, and I can't wait to share all the things with you. This bag is a game changer. If you enjoy going to the pool or the beach, or you're a sports mom or enjoy camping, this is such a good bag for all of those things. So if you're passionate about fashion and functionality, then just keep watching. So I do want to show you a size comparison. So before I picked up this original bag, I picked up the Baby Bogg, and I evidently thought this was the original. I didn't read the fine print, so that was my mistake. So I will be returning the Baby Bogg, but I thought before I did, I'd go ahead and share the size differential in case this fits your lifestyle. I feel like this would be awesome if you were going with your significant other to the pool or the beach, or even on a cruise. This would be ideal. I just feel like if you're a mom of kiddos, you're just not going to get a lot of use out of this bag because it is so small, but it still is a really cute bag. So if I were to compare the width on this bag, so I feel like two Baby Boggs would equal one width, the width of the original. And then if I were to turn it this way, you could see it's about an inch taller on the original, and then it's about 2.5 inches longer with the original than the Baby Bogg. So I will be returning this one, but it is so cute. I just don't think I'll wear it. So back to one I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of. It's this one. I'm going to go ahead and close down these, or twist down these straps so that I can get access to my bag. And I think that's such a cool feature. So I'm not fighting with the straps all the time, but it's just this really nice kind of rubber croc-like material. So my last pool/beach bag was made out of material. And you know that moisture can breed all kinds of bacteria. No matter how many times I washed that beach bag, I just felt like it had a funky smell to it. And over time, bacteria just kind of gets into fabric. And I just thought, you know what, I need some other solution, and this is it. So my old beach bag is going bye-bye, and this is the replacement. I'm excited to have it. I also think I would use this to go to a farmer's market, put all of my produce in here, come home, wash the produce, and then just squirt out the bag the bag when I'm done. And same with a beach day, you get sand up in there, you have all kinds of snacks that kind of lose their way, crushed at the bottom, and all you have to do is either wipe it out or squirt it out with the hose. It just makes life easy. And as a busy mom, I'm all about easy. So, all right, so this bag, it does come with these great pouches. So these are great because they just clip either on the outside of your bag, or you can also attach them on the inside of your bag. So it really depends how much room you need inside as to where you're going to stick them. I went ahead on Amazon and I picked up these little anchor bags. So like I said, they do come with these cute plain ones, which I will be using these for something else. But I just really loved that the anchors went with the Bogg bag, and I am a matchy kind of girl. So I picked those up. I also picked up these really cute, they're kind of like a croc, what do you call them, gibbets, that you put in a croc shoe, but this is obviously for the Bogg bag. And I just thought these looked so cute with this bag, and I wanted to make it a little bit more customized to me. And I will only be using this for like a pool bag, a beach bag, and like I said, to take it maybe to a farmer's market. And my kids are also joining swim team this fall, so I will be using this a couple times a week. So I think I'm going to really enjoy and get my money's worth out of this one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I did go ahead and attach the little one inside. I'll show you how I'm gonna pack this bag. My kids and I are gonna go to the pool this afternoon, and my husband's hoping to get off work early so he can join us. So I'm not sure how easy this is gonna be, but I'll do my best to not embarrass myself. I'm sure it's harder than it looks, but all I'm gonna do, okay, so it wasn't that bad. So you're just gonna stick those through the holes. And again, you can do this on the inside of the bag or the outside of the bag. I'm gonna put this one on the outside simply because I'm gonna need the interior for the other things I'm gonna put in here. So let's go ahead and start packing. I also picked up from Amazon, and yes, it matched, so you can tell I'm one of those matchy-matchy people. But this is the Bogg Bag. I know, it matches. This is the Bogg Bag cooler. It's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there and then put some stuff in it. Now we have already had lunch today, so I won't be taking sandwiches and all that with us. Just some cold drinks and snacks. If we get hungry, we can always order a pizza at the pool, which is always just fun. The kids always enjoy that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this. Now, if you have littles, this may not be a great option for you, but my kids are a little bit older and I just don't need to take as much stuff with me all the time. So that works out well for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some stuff in my little cooler here. So I do have this little cooling ice block, and then I'm gonna add some Gatorade. My little girl loves orange juice, so I'm gonna add that one. And of course, we all enjoy nice cold ice water, and this Hydro Flask keeps it nice and cold for hours. And then I usually just pile on the snacks. So we have some pistachios, some granola minis by Made Good, and we all really enjoy these Brookside dark chocolate snacks. And then I'm just going to zip this up, and I'll show you what I mean. It does take up probably half of the interior of the bag, so keep that in mind. This may not be a good fit for you. Again, it is for us. I'll show you how I decided that after I'm done packing all of this. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and pack this little bitty pouch right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our pool passes, and then on this side, I have my key card that lets us into the clubhouse so we can get to the pool. And I very seldom pack our swimsuits or shower things. We live about a block from our pool, so we will just wear our swimsuits there, and we will come home and shower when we're done. And that just helps not have to take so much with us. Okay, so I forgot to add, this is my absolute favorite Sarah Happ lip balm. It is so good. I'm gonna also take my hand sanitizer. That's gonna fit in that little guy too. And then my phone charger. So I don't really bring books with me at this stage of life. I try to keep an eye on my kids. We do have lifeguards, but I like to make sure I'm keeping an eye on them, and I like to swim with my kids whenever I can, so I do try to do that. They're only little ones, and I try to really enjoy each stage of, you know, every age that they are. I try to really embrace what they're into, and right now they love the pool, so I'm enjoying it so much because I enjoy the pool too. So next I have this little bag of goodies I got on Amazon. My kids love to dive for these. They just sink to the bottom and you go retrieve them. Same with these. And let's see what else is in here. Some torpedoes. So they love to dive for those. I will throw them for them. Oops, runaway one. I'll throw them out in the pool and they'll go retrieve them. So that's a cute little bag. So taking that with, give them something to stay busy. And then these I picked up on Amazon. These are Uno cards, but they are laminated and you can't get them wet. You can't bend them. So these are great to take if you went camping and you needed something to do around the campfire, or anytime we're at the pool and we just need a little bit of chill time before getting back in the pool. This is so much fun. My kids love playing Uno, and you don't have to worry about them getting ruined at the pool. So such a good find. We really enjoy playing Uno, so I'm gonna take those with. And here are their goggles for my daughter and my son. He has his. And just show you how much room we have. Lots of room still. It's awesome. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and start filling this exterior pouch. And I can cut that tag off because I am not sending this one back, that's for sure. I am so excited to have this. So I'm going to go ahead and grab. So I love this sunscreen by Kula. It is all organic, or 70% organic ingredients. It smells really good. My kids have never gotten burned using this, so we love it. And then I always put this Moroccan oil as a leave-in conditioner in my little girl's hair. Just keeps her from getting nuts because she has long hair, and if she doesn't have this sprayed in her hair before she goes and swims, then it gets really knotted, and that's never any fun. If you have a little girl with long hair, you know. So then what I'll do is I'll spray that really well in her hair, brush it good, and then I'll braid it tight, and she doesn't have any issues with it. So next I have a little hair clip. If you need more space, you can always do that. I do that a lot. And then I'm also going to add my sunglasses, my car key, and I found these on Amazon recently, and these are just like towel clips to keep your towel from sliding down off your chair or blowing away. So I just really love these. They're such a great idea. And they have a bunch of really cute ones on Amazon, but that all fits in there quite nicely. And then next I'm going to go ahead and put my towels in. And I put my towels in last because I feel like the first thing I reach for when I get to the pool are my towels to lay them on chairs. And if they're at the bottom, it's such a pain to get to it. So there you have it. There is my nice and stuffed and super cute new beach pool summer mom bag. I love it so much. It's so cute. So I'm so glad that I got to share this with you. Thank you for joining me today to celebrate this Bogg bag experience with me. It's just such a fun bag. I'm blown away by it. I think it's a great idea. And if you already own a Bogg bag, share your experiences. Let's geek out together in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye.